Hello everybody and welcome back. I am happy to announce I'll be attending the Elko, Nevada PopCon from August 18th to the 19th. This is the first annual PopCon celebrating pop culture. There'll be cosplay, celebrities, workshops, and more. And even cooler than that, one can of food gets you through the door. Also, my friend and cosplay extraordinaire, Going in Costume will be there. We'll both be judges for the costume contest where the prize is $1,500. So if you guys have costumes, be sure to bring them. Be sure to stop by my booth where I'll have all my foam props and helmets on display. Plus, I'll be selling my Cyberpunk's goggle kit. Super awesome. I am looking forward to seeing you all there. And if you're watching this and saying, hey, when do you come to my local content? Write to your local con, let them know you'd like to have me as a guest, and I'll bring this and more. Hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.